So here today we're looking at travelling down from Harts Hill, and you come to this giveaway here. So always make sure you look to the right, and there will be vehicles. Some will be indicating left, some will be indicating right, saying they're following round. This is us seeing it from their position. Okay, so you can see the road markings there. And then at the Fountain Roundabout, this is the one by the swimming baths, if you want to go straight ahead, it's this middle lane, being aware there is an extra exit which no vehicle should go down, no motor vehicles, and straight ahead here. So now we're approaching the Fountain Roundabout again, and this time we're going to go right. So this is the A52. So there's the first exit, there's the second exit. This exit here is a one-way street, so we don't count this. So make sure you get your middle mirror, left mirror, and then move back over into your left. So this time we're coming up from Newcastle main roundabout, and we're going to go right at this roundabout. So you can either be heading for the A53, which is quite normal, takes you up to Basford Bank, or the A52. So the A53 is in the left lane. So check our mirrors, and we're back into the left lane. If you've made a mistake and you want to really go the A52, it's no problem. Again, as long as you check your mirrors to move back over to where the A52 is here. So we hope you find these little videos quite helpful, just to get you familiar with some of the roundabouts in Newcastle.